Hi guys, my name is Alex and I'm a 4th year nutrition and dietetics student, and I'm currently doing my placement at Armidale HealthWISE, and I'm here today to show you how to make a healthy homemade zucchini slice. Okay, so these are the lovely fresh ingredients that we're working with. So the first thing we've got is 6 eggs, and we have mixed those together quite well. We've got the zucchini, of course. This is 3 zucchinis that have been grated. A bit of cheese, this is about 1.5 cups. And then we've got 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 onion, and this is about half of a large capsicum. And then we've also got some parsley for some extra flavor. So this is full of lots of beautiful fresh ingredients, including fresh veggies, which is great for the whole family. And in terms of seasoning, we've got a bit of chili. These are chili flakes, and if you're cooking this for children, maybe omit those. If you're cooking them for adults, they're a great thing to add just for some extra flavor. And then of course, salt and pepper. So this recipe is super easy. You just chuck all of the ingredients in and mix them around until everything is mixed together and there's no lumps of flour or anything like that. And then we pour the mixture into a tray like this, and we've greased this one with a bit of butter and some flour. Otherwise you could use some spray oil or whatever you use to grease your trays. And we're gonna pop it into the oven for about 35 to 40 minutes on about 180, and then it'll be ready to go.